Oh, there's nothing much up there. You might be better off grabbing it here, where there's a bit of white stuff on the outside as well.
You should ask him, how wide are you? Oh, mate, not as wide as you are, mate. Coming
That's
through
why you're
there.
missing.
Got a wide load.
She's a fair load, isn't she?
Not even tired yet.
Topple.
So 3 police cars.
Yeah, we're 8 metres by 2 loads in the caravan.
That's a big old.
Me, the one behind it.
Bigger old things.